nice.
You and I in this beautiful world, green grass, blue skies.
Mobile means for me the ability to meet the people you want wherever you are.
For me, it has a lot of positive implications because I stay connected with my family.
It's a necessity for me.
People were all in a small family with a lot of common space. There was only one TV, one computer, one phone. So people would have a lot of face-to-face interaction within the family. They will have their meals together. But now all that has changed. People hardly eat together. They have their own private phones, their computer, TV, etc. So they don't spend time together. So how to get the emotional support and social support? They look to their friends. So even if they need information about any task, they call up their friends.
I talk very less than 2 minutes per day, because if at all I want to talk, I would like to talk to my wife.
I have a lot of friends from Bangalore, Chennai and other places, my relatives all over Tamil Nadu. So I am on the phone, not that I don't talk to them on the phone, but it's not that I'm always on the phone. I've seen many people, and nowadays when we are walking on the road, you can see everyone, literally everyone on the phone. You can't see anybody walking without a phone.
Talking about what can we do about it for a person who's addicted to phones is that we have to start giving them insight. First of all, they do not understand that there is anything wrong with them. That's what we call it as an insight. When you know that, okay, I have a problem and it's because of this and I'm not able to get over it, that's mean a good insight. But if a person does not know that anything is wrong, there's nothing wrong with me, this is happening world. In those clients, what we do is give them a lot of insight. So say that first, watch what areas you have and how many areas have been affected and how many people are looking at you as the way you are exactly not.
We need to understand that communication is very important, but when you misutilize the communication, it can affect someone who is feeling very bad health, in the sense like somebody is in an emergency, he need to make a call to hospital, and you are speaking with someone else through a phone for hours together. You are actually making the entire network occupied, and you are actually like you are using it for your pleasure, but somebody's necessity is not met.
For every meal I have to call a friend.
She having 2 mobiles. I also having 2 mobiles separately. One is reserved for both, and another is reserved for friends, family, and all. We can talk in a day 24 hours.
जैसे टाटा टू टाटा फ्री है, अगर उसका वो लुत्फ नहीं उठाएगा तो फिर किससे बातें करेगा। फ्रेंडशिप कुछ ऐसी ही चीज़ है कि उसके लिए करना ही पड़ता है और बातें करना ही पड़ता है, विदाउट वो रूठ जाती है।
రానే రావు బోనామాలు నీలో ముంచా తొలి ప్రేమాలు రోజావే చిన్ని రోజావే రాగాలే నువ్వే రోజావే నాలో కదిలిసే హడకే।
मेरा मोबाइल है और मेरे को बहन है, कोई दूसरा कोई नंबर ले लिया, उधर से डायल करेगा नंबर, हम नहीं घर में रहेंगे तो क्या उठाएगा, जो घर में रहेगा वही नहीं उठाएगा, मेरा बहन रहेगा तो वही उठाएगी। तो फिर उस बात करेगा ये लन फन, हाँ वही लव लेटर वाला। इसलिए हमको मोबाइल से तो ऐसे तो है कम आपकी चीज़, लेकिन हर समय बात करते रहता है, उसके लिए हमको नफरत लगता है।
now are getting introverted. Even in a public space, you will find two people sitting next to each other and both of them will be sending text to somebody else. You will never find them in a face-to-face conversation. Even at home, people are occupied with the cell phone and they might be talking to their friends. Now people feel that they are okay only if they stay connected to other people. So they have to be constantly in touch with other people through the cell phone.
मोबाइल फोन का मतलब फोन जाना आने के टाइम देते हैं सर, फोन जाना आने के ऐसे काम के टाइम में फोन जाता है मैं कट करता हूँ सर, काम के टाइम में बात नहीं करता हूँ सर, काम में बिजी होता हूँ ना उस टाइम में बात नहीं करता.
See, what happens is the brain finds it difficult to complete two tasks at the same time. The optimum level of functioning is not there. So even though it might complete both the tasks, the productivity level is far less if you only attempt one task.
Talking on the concept of anxiety, there is a new term which has come up known as a nomophobia, which is a no mobile phobia. Okay, this on the context that what happens if the person loses a mobile phone or there is no network, or what if the credit goes down, or what if I don't get a call from the particular person. The person starts to panic and gets into anxiety and other disturbances. Now on this context, if you have a mobile phone, excessive usage or even addictive context on a mobile phone, it is directly related to high stress. Increased stress levels can throw into the productivity, poor productivity level. It can even carry over to the next day on the context of feeling drowsy, a hangover, or still incomplete feeling, I have so much more to do, and other thoughts which kind of erode you. So you don't feel fresh early morning, but rather the feelings of heaviness is on the head. So the person starts with a sluggish idea and goes on the rest of the day. On the context of even addictive behavior, it seems like as if the phone is ringing itself. Okay, now this is called as a retrospective effect, where the person feels that the phone is ringing in spite it's somebody else's ringtone or somebody else's phone, or a feeling that a phone is ringing. Now what causes this is especially not with the normal individuals, but people who are in a strained relationship or having problems at work or on addictive concept of a phone, always expecting a phone every 5 minutes. On that context, he feels that, okay, the phone may be ringing and keeps checking it over and over again.
Why don't you choose me? It is taken so many times. Do you guys only listen to the customers? You have been telling from in front of us. You guys, no, shut up and let me finish.
पूरा दिन हम बिजनेस से करता है, इसलिए फ़ोन करने के लिए हमको जरूरी नहीं है. अभी भी एक फ़ोन आ रहा है पॉकेट में रखा हुआ. रोल ஹலோ அப்போ நான் ஷூட்டிங்கில் இருக்கிற அப்புறம் பேசணும் எனக்கு வருமா? ஓகே ஷூட்டிங் எடுக்குது ஒரு நிமிஷம் அப்புறம் பேசு. போல் ஜி.